Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to cover day 1 of our Cambodian trip. So right now we are heading to Kuala to airport to catch our flight from Kuala Lumpur to Phnom Penh. Here we arrived at Kuala 2 airport and it took around 1 hour from KL city to Kuala 2. So we took AirAsia cab which we found cheaper than Grab, and they charge around 60 ringgit to reach to the airport. You can see and check your flight updates on this digital screen. Once you have done web check-in, then you will get a barcode. You can come to the boarding pass print machine and scan that barcode and get the boarding pass. If you have any issue to print the boarding pass, or if you want to check in your luggage, you can go to the check-in counters. So let's head towards the immigration counters, and it will take at least 20 minutes to cross the immigration and reach to the boarding gates. Kuala Lumpur Airport is one of the beautiful and clean airport in the world. We are excited to visit Cambodia. Get set go, and it's time to take off. Oh, wow, this view, you can see the palm trees everywhere. Wow. flight, you will get two forms. One is Health Declaration of Travelers form and Immigration card. So fill up the information and provide both the forms at the entry of immigration counter. So this immigration card gets stamped by immigration officer once you reached at airport of Cambodia. And do not lose this form because it is required at the time of exit from Cambodia. Once we reached at Cambodia airport, we need to buy mobile SIM cards. You can take plan of 1 day, 3 days, 5 days or 7 days or for a month. Travel within the city, we used Grab app, which is most widely used in Southeast Asian countries. With the help of Grab app, we can avoid all such scams happen with taxi or tuk-tuk travelers. Finally, we arrived at our hotel and you can book your hotel from booking.com. Please check description box for hotel name and details. So this hotel is one of the best hotel as their service is really good and hotel price most of the time vary, so please check it there. They served a welcome drink and we checked into the hotel. After an hour, we plan to visit Wat Phnom and nearby area. So if you want to know about Wat Phnom, please watch our Wat Phnom Special vlog. So this link is provided in description box. In evening, we had dinner at Namaste India. So if you would like to have Indian food, then I will recommend this restaurant as the taste of food was delicious. Then we again come back to hotel for an hour. So try to find a hotel which will have a rooftop terrace which can give you a panoramic view of the city during night. In night time we went for a walk near the Golden Palace. So this is all about day 1. So guys, if you are new on our channel, please hit the bell icon and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and share our video. Thank you so much.